everyone. This episode is the second in the series about basic document operations in SharePoint, and it's about editing the documents. When documents are in the document library, we can edit them using the following methods. Open the file in the browser and edit. That would be the first method. Usually it happens when you just click on the file name and it's being opened in browser for editing. It's quite useful when you don't have, for example, a desktop app, in this case Microsoft Word, and you can just use your browser and SharePoint to edit the document. So when you finish editing, you can just close the file or go back to the document library where you opened it from. You can see here that it indicates that the file has been just edited. Second option is to open the file in the app. How does it work? It will be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint in this case. So for a selected file, we select a file first, and then there is a command here called Open in App. So it appears on this command ribbon, or also in the context menu as well. So the context menu, Open in App. For the first time, it may ask you if you need to open Word. And the document is automatically opened in the corresponding application. So the document is opened in the corresponding desktop application, in this case Microsoft Word, and you can start making changes. So in this case, when you open in the desktop app, it has all the full functionality of Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint, and there is no limits in this regard. As you may notice, SharePoint automatically saves the document straight away into itself, because automatically autosave is on, and we don't need to worry about saving our changes additionally. By default, if you click on the document in the document library, it will be opened in the browser. But if you want your documents to always open in the app, because very often it's much easier and more powerful as a feature, you can change the settings of the document library to make this happen. If you don't have access to change the settings, you can ask your administrator to do this. The setting is opening documents in the browser, and by default it's open in the browser, and if you want to always open in the client application, it needs to be set like that. So now every time I try to open a document, it will be opened in the application. Every time you make a change to the document, SharePoint saves the copy of it as a new version. Version control is a feature of SharePoint and allows to keep record of all the document versions. So to get the relevant one, click the version history. So it can be here, the version history, or for the selected file, the version history command can also be found here. So here it displayed all the versions that were so far created, and if I'm interested in the original one, for example, I can just hover and it will be opening the file exactly as it was at that point in time. That's it for now. In the next episode, I will cover more document management. Stay tuned. The series are exclusive to Bobo's Big Blog TV, so please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the updates and interesting content from our channel regularly. Goodbye.